In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your Shopify store is live. Knowing if your online store is up and running is crucial because it directly affects your potential to sell products and reach customers effectively. So let's dive in and make sure your Shopify store is ready for your audience. The first step is to log in to your Shopify admin. This is the back end of your store where you, as the store owner, have control over everything from products to payments. Simply head over to the Shopify website, enter your credentials, and log into your account. This will take you to the dashboard, your command center for all things Shopify. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the settings. If you're new to this, imagine it as the control panel of your store, where you can tweak and configure various options. In the settings menu, find and click on Domains. This area is important because it provides information about how your store's web address is set up. At this stage, your attention should be on the primary domain. Check to see if it shows as connected. This means that your domain is properly set up to lead visitors to your Shopify store. Additionally, ensure that the SSL certificate is active. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, and it encrypts the data between your customer's browser and your store, which is crucial for secure transactions and building trust with your customers. If both these indications, connected and SSL being active, are in place, it's a good sign your store is correctly set up. Next, open a new browser tab. In the address bar, type your store's URL. This could be in the form of your store name, myshopify.com, or through your own custom domain if you've set one up. This step will give us a clear, live view of your store from a public perspective. Now, press Enter. What we're looking for is whether your store loads as expected in this fresh new tab. Importantly, if it does so without requiring you to log in again, then congratulations, your store is indeed live. It's accessible to the public, meaning customers can visit, browse, and shop your products at any time. This process is a straightforward way to confirm that your Shopify store is up and open for business. Always remember, keeping your store live and operational means more opportunities to engage with your audience and grow your brand. If your store didn't load or something seems off, double-check the domain settings or reach out to Shopify support for further assistance. That's it for our quick guide today. I hope you found these steps clear and helpful. Make sure your store is live to welcome your customers anytime. Thanks for watching and happy selling!